Introduction. The proclamation of the Philippine independence is one of the most important documents in Philippine history. It announced the end of more than 3 centuries of Spanish colonial rule and the establishment of an independent Filipino nation. The declaration, read in Kawit, Cavite on June 12, 1898, signified that culmination of years of revolutionary struggle. While many Filipinos commemorate Independence Day annually, few have studied the text itself, which provides deep insight into the motives. So, the proclamation of the Philippine independence is a big deal in our history. It was read on June 12, 1898 in Kawit, Cavite, marking the moment when Filipinos finally declared freedom. After more than 300 years under the Spanish rule, this event signaled the birth of our own nation and showed the courage and determination of our heroes who fought for our independence. That's why here, when we celebrate Independence Day, we're honoring that powerful moment because that's when Filipinos stood up and claimed their freedom. So, justification behind the revolution. The proclamation articulated the moral and political reasons for the uprising against Spain. It condemned centuries of oppression, injustice, and inequality perpetrated by colonial authorities and friars. The revolution was presented not as a mere rebellion but as a legitimate and necessary act of self-liberation. So the document aimed to bring Filipinos together, one government, and explain the revolution and independence when I were necessary. So that's all. So background. The document was written by Ambrosio Lanzares Bautista, a lawyer and one of Emilio Aguinaldo's trusted advisors. It was publicly read during the historic ceremony in Kawit, Cavite, making the formal declaration of Philippine independence. The declaration was part of Aguinaldo's effort to unite Filipinos under a single government following the revolution against Spain. So the proclamation is only declared freedom, but also explained why Filipinos fought Spain after years of abuse and injustice. It showed the revolution as a rightful fight for dignity, equality, and unity that proves the Filipinos truly deserve their independence.
Symbolism of the Philippine flag. The flag was first unfolded on June 12, 1898 in Kawit, Cavite. The white triangle symbolized equality and fraternity. The 3 stars represent Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The red stripe stands for courage, while the blue symbolizes peace and justice. Its colors were inspired by the flag of the United States in recognition of American support during the Revolution. Formation of revolutionary government. The proclamation declared the establishment of revolutionary government headed by General Emilio Aguinaldo. He was vested with full authority, dictator of the national, to lead the struggle for independence and maintain order. This government was envisioned to embody the will of the people and protect the rights and welfare. The declaration emphasized that the revolutionary sought not chaos but the creation of just ordinary administration under Filipino leadership. Execution of Rizal and Gomburza. The document referred to the execution of Dr. Jose Rizal, whose death on December 30, 1896 was seen as the culmination of Spanish cruelty. It portrayed Rizal's execution as unjust and driving the fierce fears of the Enlightenment among Filipinos. Similarly, the martyrdoms of Father Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora in 1872 was remembered as a symbol of perjury, colonial regime, intolerance toward reformation and justice. The event strengthened the resolve of the Filipinos to fight spread of the revolution. The revolution that began in Cavite rapidly spread across the province of Luzon and Visayas. The Filipinos from various regions joined the uprising demonstration, the unity and collective spirit of the nation. Despite lack of resources and training, the revolutionaries persisted in their struggles for the independence, motivated by their shared desire to end centuries of apprehension and establish a free and sovereign government.
Proclamation. A critical analysis of the Proclamation of the Philippines Independence reveals both its strength and omission. It clearly articulates the national desire for freedom and condemn colonial abuses. The documents represented the Filipinos' elite political confuseness at the turn of the century. However, it also reflected limited social vision, focusing primarily on political independence while neglecting issues such as land of reform and social equality. Of United States. The document acknowledged the assistance of the United States in the Filipino struggle against Spain. It is expressed gratitude to the Americans for their intervention, which helped weaken Spanish power in the archipelago. At the time, the revolutionaries viewed the U.S. as ally in their pursuit of liberty. However, later historical developments would reveal the complexities of this relationship, as Americans' interests in the Philippines emerged after Spanish defeat. Limitation of the documents. While the proclamation powerful arrested the right to the self-determination, it largely reflected to the perspective of the Ilustrado and Principalia classes. Efficient grievance such as land and tenancy reforms were not addressed. Historians like Teodoro Agoncillo later argue that the revolution was agrarian in nature, put largely by peasants seeking social justice. Thus, proclamation focused on political independence overlooked the deeper social and economic roots of the revolution. Conclusion. The proclamation of the Philippines independence stands as a cornerstone of the nation's historical narrative. It embodies the courage, unity, and patriotism of the Filipinos who struggled for sovereignty. Beyond of its symbolic importance, the document reflects complex realities of the revolution, its aspirant contradictions of unfinished goals. By studying it, one gains a deeper understanding of the roots of the Philippines independence and enduring quest for true freedom and equality.